Let's discuss the sentence structure or pattern of a sentence. I know you all can frame beautiful sentences. How do you frame these sentences? Let's see. A sentence has mainly 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. A sentence consists of a subject, a verb and an object. So which are those 3 parts? A subject, a verb and an object. So what is the subject and object? Subject, it comes in the beginning of a sentence, whereas an object, it comes at the end of a sentence. To say it in other words, the subject, it comes before the verb and the object, it comes after the verb. So a sentence starts with a subject and ends with an object. So how is the placement or how is the position of subject and object? A sentence starts with a subject and ends with an object. Object comes at the end of a sentence. What are the functions of subject and object? Subject is the doer of the action. Doer of the action means a subject can be a person or a thing which performs the action. Whereas the object, it is the receiver of an action. It is just the recipient, passive. Okay, I'll tell you in example. I'll give you some examples. For example, I love pets. Here, I is the subject. It comes in the beginning of a sentence. Whereas pets is the object. It comes at the end of a sentence. And it comes after a verb. Pets come after a verb. And I comes before a verb. So I is the subject and pets is the object. Okay. Some more examples. I'll give you some more examples. My father bought a car. My father bought a car. So what did the father buy? Father bought a car. So here, which is the subject and object? My father is the subject. A car is the object. Why? Because my father comes in the beginning of a sentence and it is placed before a verb. Whereas object, a car, comes at the end of a sentence and it is after a verb. So I hope you understood what is a subject and an object and how are their positions. There are 2 more examples given in your text. Tutu welcomed Major Malik. Here Tutu is the subject, Major Malik is the object. Why? Tutu is performing the action. What is Tutu doing? Welcoming. So who is the doer of the action? Tutu. And who is the recipient of the action? Major Malik. So Major Malik is the object. Major Malik comes at the end of a sentence. So it's object. It also comes after the verb. So it's a object. And Tutu is the subject. The other example, the ticket collector looked at the tortoise. Which is the subject? The ticket collector. Why? Because ticket collector is placed in the beginning of a sentence and it is also before a verb and it also performs action. Whereas the tortoise it is the object of a sentence. Why? Because it comes at the end of a sentence and it is just the recipient or receiver of an action. So tortoise is the object and the ticket collector is the subject. I hope you understood what is a subject and an object.